MUTARATARA MWERU wa UGAI wa KIGINA kia University ukiingira mwaka wa keri, nganja ni ciambiririe kwiyumiria. Ambunge makiuga thirikari ni yahikire gukinyanĩria mutaratara uyu gutari na mehariria ma kuigana. Hindi ya gikaro gia kamiti ya bunge igi githomo na ruhonge rwa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru, ambunge ni matumurire ciuria cia mitaratara ire rahuthika kugayania arutwo thiini wa ikundi ithano o murutwo kuringana na mabataro ma family. Ino ariyo njira ire rahuthika rungu rwa mutaratara mweru wa UGAI wa KIGINA kia University ugutuithania muigana wa scholarship na ngombo kuma kuri HELB iria o murutwo afatie kwamukira.
When we went round to the universities, one of those universities was able to demonstrate to us that the mean testing instrument was not watertight. And there were errors.
This is the most vulnerable formula I've ever come across. All these independent variables are not verifiable.
So how accurate is this validator?
Hamwe na maundu maria ruhonge rwa HELB rurathurima niguo gukurana gikiro kia mabataro hari o murutwo, ni kana aciari ni marihaga igoti kana aciari ni marihaga marihi ma NHIF, thukuru ya muthingi na secondary iria murutwo athomagira, na arutwo aria aciari mamukagira uteithio thiini wa tabarira ingi cia thirikari.
The poverty index. How will you know the poverty index of county X, Y, and Z? I know you want to tell us maybe about KNBS, which is not neither here or there.
I think you have said you also use NHIF. Are you aware that most people in this country are not yet on NHIF? So, majority are not on NHIF. So then how do you use this to determine family status? Thank you.
Kuringana na ambunge, mutaratara uyu nduri na waragania o wothe, makenda kumenya uria ciana iria aciari ao matarihaga igoti, NHIF kana matandikithitio na mutaratara ungi o wothe wa thirikari maraguneka.
Validations that are there are proxy points. If we miss you in KRE, if we miss you in NHIF, I will be able to find you in a primary school because we have that data through NEMIS and also through COOPS. I will be able to find you in a secondary school.
Kamite ino oho ni tumurire ciuria cikoni marua mabithi. Ambunge makienda ruhonge rwa ngathi cia iguru gukanja marua ma university maria matumirwo aciari na gutigirira marua meru maria aciari mekwamukira mari na ithabu tu ria mbeca iria aciari mafatie kuriha thutha wa o murutwo kwamukira scholarship na ngombo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa HELB.
What are you doing this time that you'll only give to the student the fee structure that shows only the family contribution?
I am appropriately guided. I will direct universities to withdraw the letters.
Yes, and you know, your direction shall be guided by the information from University Funding Board and Higher Education Loans Board.
O ni kurumirira mateta kuma kuri aciari aria matari marataukirwo uria mutaratara uyu mweru wa KIGINA kia University uraruta wira, aige magetigira kuremererwo kuri hafithi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.